Are you thinking about building your own custom PC but not sure where to begin? Let me show you my favorite site to help you. Stick around to the end to find out where to get great PC deals if you live in Canada. PC Part Picker has a clean, simple interface that's easy to use. You could jump right into building your own custom PC and choose your parts. It automatically checks compatibility and shows estimated power usage. If you have any questions, head over to the community forums. You can copy and share your PC build and get feedback and advice from other community users. Do you want to check out some completed builds? Head over to the completed community builds to see what others have created. And here's a quick tip. If you live in Canada, check out the subreddit called BAPC Sales Canada to find out some great deals on computer parts. What are some of your favorite sites to help build your PC? Leave them in the comments and I'd like to hear a recommendation.